In the world of Python programming, there's a special kind of function that's both small and anonymous. It's called a lambda function. Lambda functions have a simple syntax. Lambda arguments. Expression. Let's see it in action. You can add 10 to an argument like this, or multiply two arguments together. You can even summarize multiple arguments. But the true power of lambda functions shines when you use them inside other functions. Imagine a function that always doubles the number you send in, or one that always triples it. You can even create both functions in the same program. Here's a fun trivia question for you to engage with. What is the output of the following lambda function? Leave your answer in the comments below, and let's see who gets it right first. So, why use lambda functions? Because they're perfect for when you need an anonymous function for a short period of time. Lambda functions, small, powerful, and perfect for your Python projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any topics that you would like to hear about next.